Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm Jenny and today I'm going to be showing you how I created this gorgeous Valentine's Day makeup look. I'm also going to be showing a few different outfit ideas, so make sure you stay tuned to the end. Let's jump on into it. Then jump in with some eye primer. My lips are craving some hydration, so I'm going to put on some lip balm really quick before we get started. So much better. So today we're going to be using the Colourpop by the Rosé little eyeshadow palette, and this is what it looks like. It is so pretty. I have tried it out, but I'm going to do something a little bit different today. If you want to see more looks using this, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button for me. To start, we're going to take a fluffy blending brush with this shade here, Picnic Basket, and just gently put that all over the lid. Very light little layer. On a tapered blending brush, we're going to take this shade right here, Sunday Soiree, right into that outer corner and crease. On a smaller blending brush, we're going to take this shade here, Effervescent, and just gonna deepen that up a bit, mostly in that outer corner and dragging it a little bit into the crease. On the same brush, we're going to take this shade here, Savor It, just a tiny bit on that outer corner. Back with that fluffier tapered brush into this shade we took earlier, just blending over everything around those edges and making sure it's just nice and smooth. On a flat brush, we're going to take this shade in the center, Cheers Babe. We're going to spray it with water. Then on the other side of that flat brush, we're going to take this shade here, Sparkling. Also spray it with a bit of water, and then right in the inner corner, kind of blend it over onto the lid a little bit. Going back to that small blending brush, we're going to take the two lighter shades and carefully put that on the lower lash line. And then going back in with that fluffier brush, taking that light and medium shades together, just gonna kind of blend around where we put those shimmer shades. Favorite mascara, Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect. For some reason, this part of my lashes just was not curling, and I tried multiple times, so it's just kind of like sticking straight out. And then lower lashes as well. And now it's time for the lips. I'm gonna use this NYX lip pencil in Whipped Caviar. And you could leave it like this if you like the matte look. Personally, I like a glossy lip. And there's so many different ways you could take this. You could do a darker lip liner, do something a bit more bolder, do something even more nude, but I want some shimmer. So I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. Glow Reviver Lip Oil with the glimmer finish, and this is in Crystal Baller. That is so pretty. And that is the look complete, so let's get dressed. Starting with what I'm wearing right now, super comfy, casual, just wearing a light pink sweater and some leggings. I don't have any shoes on because I'm inside and I don't wear shoes in the house. This is from the XO brand from Kohl's. And then leggings are from Walmart. They do have like a little side pocket. This is perfect for like just a comfy, casual date night in, if you're just kind of hanging out, or if you're doing like comfy Valentine's Day instead. Can also go the red route if you don't like pink a whole ton, but this is what the makeup looks with the red. I think it's really pretty and it's still casual-ish and comfy. This sweater is from Walmart. I really like it. It's like a basic, like what you'd like get from like Hanes or something sweatshirt, but then the sleeves is like a knitted sweater, and then the bottom also has like that knittedness. Next outfit, two different top options. Can either do bolder, more neon pink, or a bit more muted berry pink. So let's start with the neon. This is one of my favorite outfits. I wear this so much. I just love the bright, borderline obnoxious neonness of the sweater, and it's nice and big and comfy. And these jeans, oh my gosh, they're the best jeans ever. I got them at Walmart. They're Levi's. They're just so comfy and cute, and I love the pattern. This sweater here is from Arula, so a bit more expensive, but most everything in this video so far is pretty affordable. So this is the other sweater. I feel like it looks so good with this makeup. Like, it looks really nice. And this sweater is Time and True from Walmart. So very similar outfit option, just a little bit different tone of the sweater. And you could wear this with anything if you have like a cute skirt, or if you want to wear like the black pants or leggings, or if you want to wear a dress. I'll insert a clip from another video I did of a pretty dress option here. And then back in the light pink sweater, you could also wear it with the jeans, and it's super cute. So really just whatever you're gonna be comfortable in and feel the most confident in is what matters. That is the look completed and a couple different little outfit ideas. Let me know down below which outfit is your favorite and which one you would wear, or if you'd wear something totally different. Make sure to hit that thumbs up button if you like this video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join the family. I love y'all so much, and I'll see you in my next video.